Meta Pocket app. So this is a new app from Meta where you can create AI games similar as you do in apps like Sakai, Loopit, AIP, bunch of apps which are gaining traction. It kind of looks like Instagram, but you're just creating your own gizmos. Gizmo is an interactive, playable, AI-generated experience. You can interact with gizmos created by others or create your own using text prompts. So, and then, yeah, just create a gizmo, tap the plus button, just describe the experience you want to create. The more specific you are, the better the result. Tap next, allow remix, and tap post. Kind of like Instagram, but again, this is AI experience. This app is not yet available in iOS App Store. It's super early beta version. Um, I don't know even if it's on Google Play Store. It can be available in some areas for very early users. So download open Pocket app from your mobile app store. And then you need to use Meta account. So yeah.